Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In today's class we are learning relation functions, 3 marks, question number 12 dear students. So let us see how they are asked. Show that the relation R in set of real numbers. See, this R is relation R single and here double line is written means it's a real number dear students. Defined as R is equal to relation R is equal to A comma B such that A is less than or equal to B square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Already they had only told dear students what they are told, show that it is not reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive. तीनों नहीं है, ಮೂರು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. But still our students, you people, some of you will say it is not reflexive. ಅವರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, ಆದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ನೀವು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಅದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. So this is a wrong way dear students. So please try to understand and write here. So now first we will write the relation given R I will write. So R is equal to A comma B such that A is less than or equal to B square. How it is not reflexive? I will explain you. First you see reflexive. Very beautifully we can write here students. So now as A is less than or equal to, in B place also A will get reflexive means what? A comma A only will come. So A is less than or equal to A square. B square means what? A square it will become. Is not true for all small a belongs to real number. See, real number, double line, real number. For all I am saying, one condition fails means failed only. See, we are having 6 subjects. If I fail in one subject, that means my result is what? I failed, no? So like that, this also, in one condition it is failed means it is not reflexive dear student. That means it should have to satisfy all the real numbers. So now this is not true, I am saying. For example, see here, very beautifully you can give the example. For example, I am illustrating little bit. So A is what? I will take 1 by 2. A is taken as 1 by 2. Then A square is what dear students? A square value will become 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Will you agree? 1 by 4. Now see here, this by seeing this we can say A is greater than A square or not? This is half kg, this is pav kg. Which is bigger? Half kg is more or not? Arda kilo ದೊಡ್ಡದು and pav kilo ದೊಡ್ಡದು? Arda kilo ದೊಡ್ಡದಲ್ಲ. So that's why A is greater than A square. So this is what I am saying, since half is greater than 1 by 4. Yes or no? That's why we are saying it is not true for all real number. Therefore you can say A comma A does not belongs to R. Thus R is not reflexive. See how beautifully you have given the answer dear students. Yes or no? 1 mark you got with example I had given. So now see, 1 mark you understood. Now second is what? Symmetric. This also easily you can write. See here, symmetric. As A is less than or equal to B square, A is less than or equal to B square does not imply B is less than or equal to A square. This is also not possible because they have only told it is not symmetric. And I will give an example also for each. For example, you see, example, let's we'll take A is what? 1 and B as equal to 2 can say. Then what will happen? See, then A is less than equal to B square, but B is less than or equal to A square is not true. Not true. This is not true. How, sir? See here, illustrate this. So A value is what? 1. Since 1 A value, B value is what? 2. 2 square is 4. 4 is greater than 1, 100%. Where we will show no face, that is greater. This is 4 is greater than 1. This is true. But you see, if this happens, 2 is the B value, A value is what? 1. 1 square is how much? 1 only will get. Yes or no? Is not true. Is not true. Yes sir? So that's why it is not symmetric. 1 comma 2 is there in R, but 2 comma 1 does not what satisfy our condition. So 2 is less than or equal to 1 is not true. Therefore, here board is light is reflecting, dear students. Here what I have written, I will again repeat. 2 is less than or equal to 1 is not true. Is not true. So then we can say what? Therefore, R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. Now transitive. You come for this. Here also, this is not there. That side it is. Transitive come. Transitive I will write here, dear students. Transitive as A is less than or equal to B square and B is less than or equal to C square does not imply what? A is less than or equal to C square. Yes, this is also not possible. Examples are, yes, of course I am there to help you. But you are not helping me. See, you are observing the video but not liking my channel. So what fault is there? I don't know. So please support me, yaar. Just click that thumbs up button if you are understanding. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾದರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನನಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So now see, for example, A is equal to 3 you can take, B is equal to -2, C is equal to -1. You can take any number, sir, by your own also. So which is not satisfying, I had taken that. I like these numbers, I had taken. So if you want any other numbers you can take, but this condition should have to fail. Transitive should have to fail there. Such numbers you take. So whichever you strikes means 1, 2, 3 if you take it will satisfy, dear students. Understood? So don't take such numbers. Now which will fail, no, that I have taken. So now this is what? Then A is less than or equal to B square and B is less than or equal to C square implies what? Last one is but A is less than or equal to C square is not true. Is not true. Is not true. So see here, since A value is what? 3. B value is what? -2. -2 square 4 you will get. And next up, B value is -2. C value is what? -1. -1 square 1. -2 is less than 1, 100%. Both are satisfying. But you see, A value is what? 3. C value is -1. -1 square 1 is not true. Yes or no? Is not true. Is not true. Complete this sentence. Is not true. Clear? So therefore you can say R is what? R is not transitive. R is not transitive. Hence R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. I hope you understood this. So if you are understanding this video, so please like my channel and support me always. So Maths Lageraho will be always for you. So it will be dedicated to all my dear students. All fine. So we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you dear students. Please copy this.